I'm gonna do something.
Hey guys, I'm gonna play with the dash.
We're recording that. I'm recording. And Sasha's recording. I'm recording. Sasha's recording. So guys, and Sasha's gonna play.
Anyway, it was raining today.
Today's raining.
Ah, no.
Show them the weather. Show them. It's still raining.
Hey,
See?
the camera.
It's raining. It's raining.
Wait, let me fix this camera first.
It's raining. See?
Let me switch it.
Oh, I dropped it.
Yeah, done. Okay, I'm playing Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oops. Yep. And I'm going to Lifeboat. So no glitch. And I found an idea. How do you get a VIP when you already sign in this? I found it out in my tablet and amazing. It says I won. Oh, don't. I pushed one time. I was doing it wrong. That's my fault. Okay. This is how did I get a VIP in my tab. All you need to do is log in for that first. All I did was, I'm not going on that. How to get armors, anything. I got a Diamond X I did, and a Leaf boots or something like that. Should have been the next one. I have to wait for the next one to work. Ah, someone's squishy. Whoa! That's too many. How can he do that? I think because I just started. And he was there standing. I don't know. Why is it not coming? Wait, it's going to start at 5. Wait, when this thing starts, yeah, I think this one's going to come out. Wait, I just did it already. Okay. When you do that, you then go back to hub. Put hub on this. It was hub before it was lobby, so I'm doing hub, and then go back in there. Go back in the game you were supposed to go, and then do it again. I don't know how long I did, like 3 times. I think it was 3 times I did this. Why is it not coming? I did it down VIP, so I didn't put it back. I mean slash hub on that. There. Now go back to lobby and go back in there. Don't know how long is the time. Done! Done it! Oh, I did it wrong. Who's on so? Me. Me? Wait, how did they get in? Oh, they just went back today. Oh. Hi. I'm Daniel Gamer. Daniel Gamer? I think there's something I need to show the people I'm recording. I just want... Let me go by myself. Let me go by myself. Oh no, they're squishy. They're very squished. Okay, I'm going to click on the 3rd button. Ah, sneaking. Now click on that one. Oh no, it's going to do a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 anyway. 5. 4. Okay. Oh, come on. Why is it not working? Come on. Oh, hi. Anyway, you can go closer to him. Anyway, let's do something good. Daniel Gamer. Whoa. There we go. Okay, let me get in. Daniel Gamer needs to go in. What did Daniel Gamer? Good. Daniel Gamer. I just need to get in. Let me get in. I'm gonna get in. I need to get in. I'm gonna get in. Howdy, why is it not working? I should want to be. Oh, there we go. And then go back. Oh no, it's gonna have to be quicker than that now. I need to get quick. Let me just do it quick. Goodbye. Oh no, the time. Run fast. Jump. And then go back in there. Come back. Get back. And go in again. Hop. Do that again. Do it again. And I should be. This is the last one. Come on, no VIP. Come on, let me in. Oh, good. Get in. I just need. Oh no. Let me get one more. Just need get a VIP. If that don't work, I think it only works in my tab. Come on. No, come on. I still need to get in. I still need to get the VIP. Come on. Why that don't work? How come? Jump. Please it still works. 8 people, that's still alright. Come on. 145, that's still alright. I just need to get in. Go fast. Faster. Jump. There. That's how you get it. Yep. And that's how you get it. So, see you later. And that's how you get it. So, good.